Tignan mo yun.
Mami ka na. Yung mga pangits dito. Welcome sa pangit group. Please. Coco Crunch.
Hindi mo naman.
Sa taas. Generation for the years, sing for the virgin, sing for the tears.
Boy.
Di ko alam. Chat mo.
Now your arm is my pet. Your arm is now my pet. Think, come on, let's go.
Ayun na pala siyang cellphone. Gigamit lang siya sa papa mo.
You already have your own phone.
Baka sabihin
no
niya,
way.
Mi, yung cellphone ko nandyan pa. Ay, ma! Patingin mo nga ito kung magkano ito yung paggawa.
No, don't betray me. Don't betray me. Don't betray me, Ting. Okay, I got it. He will tickle me now. Even his veins are even choking. No, over and over and over. Let's put some lipstick on you. Let's put some eyeshadow. Let's even put this on.